The men of Biafra Liberation Army wey dey call Commander Holyghost, they say the guy don come back o. He come send message say if Nigerian army like make they send heavenly message to Finland say nothing is happening. He say the way wey dey take come outside for this time around, say nobody go fit there or to stop them o. Now I come say e don red o. I go play you the video make you watch. They say that Asari Dokubo he don blast Ikwere people. He say that he can never deny identity o. Say Ikwere people no know wetin they dey do. In fact, make they pack go meet the Benin people wey dey claim say they from there. I go play you the video so make you watch. However, share and like and subscribe to this channel. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Watch this video of wetin the Biafra Liberation Army, the message wey send for this video before we come back and proceed.
You don't know how determined we are to restore Biafra. That is your problem. The problem you are having is that you do not understand the dimension we are moving. A determined or a determined mind, they look back. I'm assuring you that every obstacle you keep on our way, we will jump them past. We will overcome every challenge that comes on our way because we are determined to restore Biafra. Our focus is ahead of us. Our mission, our desire, our goal is made up. And then when you hear us saying or chanting Biafra or Biafra, you may not understand what we mean. Because only one thing we know in life, only one thing we desire in life, only one thing we live for in life, only one thing we want in life, only one thing we seek for, only one thing we will die for, only one thing we are asking for, only one thing we must take by force if need be is Biafra. That is the only one thing. Biafra. Only Biafra. And we are telling you that we determine. We do not just say it. We want Biafra. We are not just baking. The time of baking has passed. We want Biafra. We do not just asking. The time of asking has passed. We want Biafra. If only you understand how determined we are, you will know that nothing can stop us. We want Biafra, nothing but Biafra. There is no obstacle that can stand or that can stop us. No obstacle. We away all the obstacles that may be on our way, and we do not see any challenge. We do not see any challenge. And that is why this morning, the Spirit sent me to tell you that the same way the great prophets have said it, and maybe you do not listen or do not understand, then you hear what the Spirit is saying to those who have ear to hear. Let them hear the voice of the Spirit, that there is nothing that can stop Biafra from being restored. Nothing. No woman, no man, no Sabo has that ability of stopping Biafra from being restored. Biafra is here to stay forever. And those who are choosing to restore this holy land are already fortified by Chukwukika Abiyama. And there is nothing you can do to shake them. Nothing you can do to stop them. Nothing you can do. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Their mind are made up. Their mind are locked up. Their soul have already made up their mind. Do you understand what I mean? They are not much in number. They are very few in number. But they will destroy the zoo beyond repair. When you hear their name, you'll be shaking. Anywhere they march their foot on, destruction will follow. Very few. They are young men. They are not old. Very young angels. That Chukwukika Abiyama have been fortified to do this heavenly work. And they can never look back. They will never retrieve. They will never surrender. They will never surrender. Their mission is to restore Biafra. They remain focused, absolutely focused. So when I tell you that there is nothing you can do to change their mind, believe you me, Nigeria will soon catch fire that nobody can quench. If Biafra is not let go in peace, then Nigeria will be in pieces and Biafra will still walk away. Anyone you like, you choose. It is the message from heaven. I should deliver it. And if I fail to deliver this message to you, then I will be held responsible. And that is why I deliver this message. You have only one option, not two. And that one option is let Biafra go and have your life back. Hold Biafra tight and you must die. You must buy. Nothing will save you from buying. Yes. Hold Biafra tight and buy. Let Biafra go and live. That is only one message for you. And then allow me, having delivered the heavenly message to you, to say, oh, hey, Biafra.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, I'm going to play you the video, the moment of when Asade Dokubo, they made this comment. Say, in Igbo again, this one now the second time, say that Ikwere people should pack and go to Edo State, as they claim say they're from Benin. Watch the video.
Plus people, Ogonis, Ijaws, and the Igbos, who makes up River State, you can't take us for granted. So the River State Igbos are denying they are not Igbos, they are Igbos. Yeah. How can you go say they are Benin? Where say they are Benin? What language are they speaking? Benin language. What name are they answering? Is it Bunwa? Is this Oba Bunwa? I don't know what Bunwa means, but I know that is a Igbo. I don't know what Bunwa means. Is it Bunwa? Inyeso Wiki. Is it Oba Bunwa? The people that do not know their identity. Amalaba man, Ejaban. The throne that I'm sitting now, that you are seeing, Ejaban, the throne, Ejaban is an Abama from Obo. I cannot deny, I might not like the characters of Igbo people around, But I cannot, because of that, reject my Igbo identity. I have Igbo blood flowing in my vein. I have Igbo DNA. It's a Bunwa, it's not Obabunwa. Obabunwa. These are the characters that the president, Bola Tinubu, is about, who are even denying where they come from. For whatever reason, Amechi is this thing. Wigwe is this thing. Which of them is answering a Benin? That about Benin. Hey, they are Benin people, everybody. Not gonna go be Benin. But that's not what I'm talking about.
My wonderful people, tell me what you think about wetin Asare Dokubo talk for this video, because e get wetin he talk here that display the Igbo attitude. I don't know, Asare Dokubo is going to explain the Igbos, which the accusation wey they make to the Igbos. He go explain one day as I dey see am. My people, when I don't hear am now, the message wey this Biafra Liberation Army commander, what they call Holyghost, wey concerned, say they no know how prepared they are, say they are fully prepared. So let us know what you think for inside comment section and share the video.